Hi everyone and welcome. It's Annie and I am back with another 15-piece ThredUp mix shoebox. Now this box came from, I think, Pennsylvania. Yes, Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania. And the cost of the box is $80. I did not have a discount, so plus $80 plus taxes and shipping. I think it was like $90 something, but anyway, it comes out to be about $6 and some per pair, I think, when you include the taxes and everything. So let's see what ThredUp has in store for us today. I'm gonna try to give a first look. Oh, this is heavy. There we go. You can see. Alrighty. Let's see what we got. Okay. Veja, I think that's how you pronounce that, and I think they are good. In fact, I know they are. If I can find the other one. I always tell by that B right there. And they do need some cleaning, which a lot of ThredUp shoes do, but that's okay. And these are a size US 10. And they have the Velcro. Okay. Not in great condition, but still have a lot of life left in them. So that's great. We're off to a good start. Okay, a pair of Nikes, and these look to be new. Well, you can tell they've been worn. There's dirt on the bottom, but they're in great shape. And these are also a size 10. Let's see if we have the other one. Yep. That still has a little sticker inside, but that still doesn't mean it's new. But these are in great condition. We'll just clean up those bottoms there. All right. Good. Have some espadrilles. Let's see if I can find the other one. And I'm noticing that these don't have the rubber bands on them. I do see some rubber bands on the bottom, but hey, that's good. Saludos, which is another good brand. Now these do look a little more worn. You can see a lot of loose threads, so I'm not too sure about those. I might just list the flaws and just go with it. Who knows? Somebody might buy them. But these are a size 6.5. Also a small size. So I don't know. I may just donate those. We have a pair of Converse, white Converse, which look to be in excellent shape. These are a size 8. Converse All-Stars. They are in good shape. All right. Next, Blowfish, which is not that great of a brand, but these are really cute and they look new. So I will still list them. I can't see a size and I can't read that because it's kind of worn off. But they look to be about a size 7. But I will try to figure that out. Where is the other one? There it is. Just a gray beauty. All right. Okay, we have a pair of heels. And Klein. And these are in okay shape. They do have some scuffs, but I should be able to clean that up. And these are a size, I don't know. I'll have to do my research, but this looks like a large size. I'm gonna probably say about a 9 or a 10. All right, let's get these other pair of booties out of the way. These are, tell you, come wintertime, I'm gonna have a lot of these to list. They are really piling up, the boots and booties. But that's okay. And these are nothing great. I think I saw apartment 9. Yep. compartment 9. I don't know if y'all can see that. Zips up the back. And these do need some cleaning also. Not that bad though. Okay. Running out of room on my table here. Okay, I'm seeing some really interesting shoes here. These look cute. Oh, Madewell. Now I have a pair of these, not quite like, it's more of a mural type with this hair in my closet now that I've been sitting for a while. But these are Madewell. And these are something, they are adorable. Look at that. Size 7. Glad they're not my size because I might would have had to keep these. And these are in excellent condition. And they still have the thing on the bottom, size 7. And some pretty good shoes in this box. I'm excited. Okay. Pair of Melissa. And these have some scuffs. Hopefully I can get those out. Now I don't think I've ever heard of Melissa. Have you guys? I know Target, but that's not Melissa and Doug or something like that, but that's not that I know of. Have you guys ever heard of these? I'm still learning my brands. Just when you think you know them all, a new one pops up. It's got an M. They look well made, but these are, looks like grass stains, but I may be able to get that out. Other than that, they're in pretty good shape. And let's see what size these are. Size 7. Okay, I see a pair of clogs. And I don't, M-A or Mia, probably Mia, but it's worn off. Made in Sweden, size 36. Is that Mia? And these have a strap. And these do have a little bit of damage. Looks like some of the wood is chipped off right there. I mean, they're still wearable. They're cute. Leather upper, made in Sweden. But that's either M-A or Mia. And I've heard of Mia before, but, or M-M. I don't know, guys. We'll research it. Okay. Ooh, fancy pair of Nikes. Look at these, guys. They are colorful. And these are Nike Sakai. S-A-C-A-I. Sakai. And they are a size, oh, wait, it's on the tag on the side. No, size 5.5, so that is a small size. 2019. They do need some cleaning, but they're in good shape. Any of y'all know anything about that Nike brand? I know there's so many different kinds. We will Google lens that. Malu Super Comfort made in Brazil. I like these. They look comfortable, and I'm all about comfort. Little flowers on the side. And these are in really good shape. And they are a size 9. So I might be able to wear those. I usually buy anywhere between 8 and 9, just depending on the shoe. So those may be a keeper for me, depending on comps. If it's something that's really expensive, I may just go ahead and sell. So Chelly's, they used to resell really good. I wonder, haven't sold a pair in a while. These are adorbs. Look at that. Little buckle. And they are in size 8.5. They just need a little bit of cleaning. The foot liner. The white needs a little bit of cleaning, but the rest of the shoe looks in really good shape. Oh, good. I'm just gonna put these back down in here. I'm saving the best for last. Okay, Vince Camuto, and I can already tell you that these are probably going in the trash. So I see a lot of damage. Pair of heels. And I will not spend too much time on this because these are trash. See? Tearing apart. Look, I'm gonna go ahead and break it. That's it. They're in the trash. Okay, now for the next pair and the last pair, we have a pair of Rothy's. And I have never gotten this style of Rothy's before. It's always been like the pointed toe. See that? Let's see what size they are. Let's pull this out. Okay, I do see a code. It says 9 to 10.5. Now, do these Rothy's, are they supposed to have that white strip like the other ones do? I'm not sure. I'll have to check because like I said, I've never gotten a pair like this before. But they do have a code up in here. So I will check. Rothy's size 10. Most of the Rothy's I've sold have that white strip, and it's easy to tell if they're real or not, but we will see. Oh, here we go. Well, that's just the, that's not. But we'll see if they're real. I think they are. And I hope they are. I pray they are. But anyway, guys, so that's it. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Madewell. Love those. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 pairs of shoes. So I think that was a great box. I'm excited to get those listed. What did you guys think? But thanks for watching, guys, and until next time, bye.